Hi again and welcome. A bit of sad and breaking news to bring to you right now on Celebrity Scoop. Well, we have just received word that the Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman has passed away at age 43 years old. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, click that notification bell and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos. It's a sad day for cinema lovers after news spread of the passing of the late actor Chadwick Boseman, who passed away after a 4-year battle with cancer. This has sent shockwave through the entire movie fraternity after fans and friends of the movie star are still trying to come to terms with his sudden passing. So Boseman has been battling cancer for over 4 years, and he was privately battling cancer without many of his fans knowing about what was transpiring in his personal life. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to his family and friends. If you're a movie lover, then the movie Black Panther must resonate on your heart after it was a major hit right across the world. Now, Boseman has been battling cancer for 4 years, we're told, and he was privately doing this. Meanwhile, even most of those shows that he came in during this 4-year period, he would have been doing chemotherapy during this time. And it's very sad to see that the actor passed away at such a tender age. But when we look on life and we look on what is going on around us, it's very clear that it doesn't matter the amount of money you have, the amount of fame you have, the amount of glory you have. At the end of the day, what matters is life. And some of the times it doesn't make sense that you have this whole lot of money or this whole lot of wealth, because at the end of the day we have come to the realization that sometimes it can't save your life. But this situation is just very sad to report on right now, of the passing of this great actor who have propelled his name to the mainstream of cinematic movies. And I can tell you right now, his fans, his family, and also his associates right across the world are mourning the passing of one of the greatest actors to date. He was just 43 years old when he passed away, and he was still young, still in his prime, and had a lot to offer to the general public. Now we're gonna divulge the details of what we have to bring to you as it relates to the latest report that we have on the passing of Chadwick Boseman. So we're gonna bring you up to date with that right now on the program. So the Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman has passed away at age 43 years old after a 4-year private battle with colon cancer. So his family confirmed his passing in a statement on social media on Friday, revealing that the actor was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer back in 2016. The late actor was survived by his wife and was reportedly to have been dating Simone Taylor Lee Ward back in 2019, and the couple was last seen in public together in February of this year, but their marriage was never reported until his passing. The late actor had no children, and he kept his diagnosis, according to his publicist, as a private matter and did not really make most of his fans knew about what he was going through, especially during this difficult time that he was going through his chemotherapy. Now, this news has sent shockwave through the entire movie fraternity, and a number of individuals have took to social media just in order to express their sadness at the passing of such a great actor. We also have been reliably informed that a number of his recent movies were filmed during his countless surgeries and also his chemotherapy treatment. A number of his fans pay tribute to the icon on social media and across the entertainment and media industry. This has sent shockwave throughout the entire movie fraternity, and a number of his fans right now can't come to terms with the sudden passing of the great actor. The actor passed away at his home in the Los Angeles area with his wife and close family members by his side. It is not specifically clear what time he passed away, but we are told that he passed away sometime Friday. So his family right now is finding it very hard to cope, and in a statement that was issued to social media just in order to update fans about his passing, and we're going to be reading that now right to you on the program, it states, "It is with immeasurable grief that we confirm the passing of Chadwick Boseman. Chadwick was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer in 2016 and battled with it for the last 4 years as it progressed to stage 4, the family stated. His family has described him as a true fighter and one that persevered throughout this difficult time. And as his family reflect on his life, his work, and his legacy, we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity once more just to express our heartfelt condolences to his family and friends. And if you have been following the movie scene and also what's been going on in entertainment, you'd have known that the movie that he came in last would have been Black Panther, which was a major hit movie right across the world, which grossed sale of over $1 billion, and that movie had cemented itself in the household of many individuals right across the world. And we have seen the impact that that movie caused throughout the world after cinemas were rampant for months for just anyone to just get a glimpse of that spectacular movie that became a historic movie in the movie arena. Now, this what transpired to the late actor is very sad, and it has been a 4-year battle that he was going through. And when we look on life and we see the legacy that he has left behind, we just have to take this opportunity just to reflect on his life, his work, and his legacy after the joy that he had brought to many screens right across the world and many cinematic movies that he would have been a part of, especially the Black Panther, which created history right across the world. Now, life is just a precious thing, and when we look on certain situations and things such as these happening around us, we really have to just reflect on life and value life more, because guess what? Life is not promised to none of us. And each day that we wake up and each day that we live, we really need to be thankful for our eyes opening to see the start of another day. We're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope, and it's very sad to report on the passing of Chadwick Boseman, the Black Panther star who passed away at age 43 years old. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with these stories plus more to come on the program, and we're out for now. Have a blessed and productive Saturday.